Right now, we're seeing an environment sentiment score of plus 0.42, which is a noticeable uptick compared to our historical baseline. This suggests a shift in public perception that could indicate emerging trends or events worth monitoring. With momentum holding steady at plus 0.00, it's clear that this sentiment isn't just a fleeting spike, it's something that's stabilizing. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, allowing you to dig deep into the nuances of the data. Imagine integrating this into your application to track environmental sentiment over time. You could identify potential opportunities for green investments or gauge public response to environmental policies. Dive deeper into this data and see what insights you can uncover. Check out the documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.